friends, I hope you are doing well. Please check out my previous video. It was a small shop haul and now I'm doing one again because I received some happy mail. So when I went to the post office, I just got both. So and I'm keeping it in separate videos because it's two different new to me companies. So I haven't opened it yet. As you can see, I'm cutting because I can feel everything on the other side, and on the other side of this is just my personal details. So let me just check. Okay, wait. I want everything to be a surprise for me as well. Okay, this is just, let me take it out. I'll show this to you now, but one of them is the invoice, and I don't want to show you too much, but just take a look at that. Thank you so much. Oh, I love this. So this is a printout of everything in color with the pictures of what I ordered and and then the other papers is instructions on each one. So as I take them out and I see what it is, I'll show the instructions. So let's go through it together because this is a new to me as well. Even just that little handwritten note, I like that. I like a personal touch. So what are we going to pull out first? This looks very small package, right? But it's a few items. So let's see. Okay, so you can already see what company this is. So it is Randa's Crafty Corner. I am a member in a lot of Facebook and YouTube diamond painting groups and communities. So Randa's Crafty Corner is, I wanted to say famous, is well known for their scented putties and their wax. So yeah, so here you can see scented putty, and it's vanilla shortbread. Ooh. So it's on Etsy. I ordered this through Etsy. Oh, I love this holographic. I can't think of it now. Sorry, English isn't my first language, but I want to smell this. Okay. Okay, this is obviously scented putty. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, wait, sniffing test. Oh my goodness. Guys, I love vanilla. Like anything that says vanilla, like even like perfumes, if there's a hint of vanilla in it, yes. Let's take a look. Okay, so a little goes a long way. Okay, so it looks like that. You see, very sticky. Oh, it smells good. Oh, I just smell vanilla. It does smell like vanilla cookies. Shortbread. Oh, that's good. Okay, so the Ziploc baggie helps. Ziploc baggie helps to keep the smell in. Guys, this smells good. So what people do is that I saw is that you take your diamond painting pen, pull a bit of this out, and you make it into a little ball or a little worm or whatever, and you put it in your pen. Yeah, I'll have to experiment with that. I've never used this before, but I've only used wax so far that I get with my diamond painting kits, and the wax doesn't last that long, I feel, and I want to try some putty out, so that's why I tried this. Okay, this is the first one. I just want to see scented wax. Okay. So one of the papers we got, scented putty instructions. Hi, thank you so much for the purchase of my scented diamond painting putty. It is formulated and handmade by me. I hope you love it and it makes your diamond painting experience that much more enjoyable. How to load into your pen. Okay, see, before I try to explain, I should have read this. Loading the putty into your pen is exactly the same as any other putty. So if you are familiar with putty, this is something you already know. If not, I will explain here, and I also have a video on my YouTube channel, Randa's Crafty Corner, that shows you exactly how to use it. So guys, go and check out her YouTube channel. Lay the brick of putty on a flat surface and stab your pen straight down into the putty. Rotate your pen in a circle and twist it a few times to make sure the putty is really incorporated into the pen before pulling it out. Look at the tip of your pen and make sure it is fully loaded into your pen, and you can press it down with your finger to secure it in there and make sure it is flat and ready to go. Guys, it's like your cookie dough. So you take the cookie cutter and you place it in there and you just go and scrunch and take it out. sorry, how to remove the putty from a pen. To remove the putty, simply take a pair of tweezers or a toothpick if you're using an everlasting tip and dig the putty out of your pen before replacing it with fresh putty. I do that with my wax. I take one side of the tweezers and I just put it in there and it comes out very easily. Temperature concerns. Temperature is not as big of a problem when it comes to putty as it is with wax. What? But in extreme cases, it can affect the texture of the putty. If your putty is too hot or is starting to melt, you can either put it in the fridge for a few minutes to harden it back up again, or you can hold it on your arm to warm it up and soften the putty. Oh my goodness, and I didn't know that. Guys, leave me a comment. What happens with wax when temperature-wise? If you have any questions or problems with your putty, please feel free to contact me. I hope you love your putty as much as I love it. I will be releasing new scents regularly, so keep an eye on the shop and my Instagram at Randa's Crafty Corner to see those releases. Thank you so much. Okay, awesome. That's pretty cool. Let's see. I can't remember if I just got the one. Scented putty. No, here's another one. Sea Breeze. That's 2 ounces, so it's not a lot, but like I said, a little goes a long way. I mean, just the other day I only threw out my first wax ever. I started like a small little, okay, wait, I have to smell this. Oh my goodness, it's very fresh. It smells fresh, like almost like not minty, like that stabby minty flavor, but that freshness. So okay, it's the same color. It looks like very sticky. Let's feel. I think it's nice. It's not too hard, it's not too soft. I think, yeah, but oh, that's good. I'm gonna let my husband smell all of this afterwards, but let's just keep that smell in there. I don't know how to explain this. Sea Breeze. Very, very fresh smell. I like it. But my favorite is the vanilla shortbread. So both of them are scented putty. Let's see. What's this? Something came loose. Let's try something different. What's it? Oh, cute! Oh my goodness. It's like lollipop, guys. I love lollipops. Mystery pop. Dum-dums. We don't have this in South Africa. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. I love trying new things. Definitely gonna try that. What's still in here? Oh, I think this came off the cardboard. Okay, let's take a look at this. Okay. Okay, so I placed this order right after, or it was December. And it was Christmas. Guys, what is this? I think it was on, yeah. Let's just put it back. So there's one magnet side, and there's the other magnet. Let's just put it as okay. That's better. It's a little bunny in a Christmas stocking, and it feels nice. I think it's made of clay, so it has like a velvety touch. It's very nice. Oh, the little bunny in a stocking. It's a cover minder. It's just so cute. Couldn't resist. I think it was on sale, all the Christmas cover minders. Oh, okay, let's go to this. Okay, so I know I ordered something else as well. What does this say? Candied walnut original scented wax. Okay, 10 grams original scented. Okay, so this is in a container. This is quite 10 grams. This is much more than that. Original scented wax. That's putty, this is wax. Okay. It does smell nutty, but it's not. It's more oily. Okay, this is wax. It's just scented wax, but the smell isn't as sharp as that, and I think it has to do with the baggies. And remember, it also took a long time, a few months to get here to me. So this doesn't smell as pungent anymore. What's that word? You know, like very sharp. But this still smells like as if it was made yesterday. But this or I don't know if it's just supposed to be a light nutty smell. There is a little bit of nuttiness in there, but not that much. Let's quickly check. And I got another one. This is, whoa. This is the original scented wax, and this is the hardened sticky scented wax. So I wanted something of each. So she does 3 things. She does scented putties, lots of flavors, original scented wax, and hardened sticky wax. Now people are raving about the hardened sticky, so I wanted to see the difference between this, because you can't compare. This is hazelnut cream. You can't compare our original wax to this, you know. I wanted to compare her original wax to her original hardened sticky. So let's just do the smell test. This smells much more. This has a creamy. Guys, if you drink, or if you've smelled amarula, the nutty liquor, like your dessert, it sort of has that smell. So let me just feel. Oh, look at that. My finger doesn't even make, like, it doesn't feel like, it's much harder. It's much harder. Okay, let's see what she says. So I got 2 more. Scented wax. So that's the original. Hi, thank you so much for your purchase of scented wax 2.0. Wow. It is formulated by me and handmade. I hope you love it, and it makes your diamond painting experience that much more important. Enjoyable. Important. Please place wax in the freezer for 30 to 60 minutes before initial use to make sure that it hasn't melted and change consistency in transit. It's definitely not, it's not melted. It's fine. I'm not going to do that. How to load into your pen. Loading the wax into your pen is very similar to how you would load other scented waxes. For example, paddy wax. Okay, that's also like something that's international people will know. Take the tip of your pen and scrape it across the surface of your wax. Okay, then press it into your pen with your finger. So you scrape, but there's going to be like little bits of filigree or whatever, like, and you scoop that up into the pen with your finger and press it down and make sure it's fully loaded and ready to go. How to avoid residue. This wax doesn't have a ton of residue, but you may experience some wax on your drills. So the wax that I get in the diamond painting kits does give off a residue, and that's why I wanted to try something else. So it might leave some, you may experience some wax on your drills when you place them, especially if you're a hard presser like me. I'm also a hard presser. I love that. To avoid this from happening, simply take a sacrifice drill, which is just one of your drills that you're okay with not using on your canvas, and press down hard on the drill with the tip of your pen that is filled with the wax. This way any residue will come out on that drill. If you don't mind the residue originally, you can also go over your canvas once you're done with a soft bristled toothbrush, and the residue will actually make your diamond sparkle more. Yeah, you can think that, because it's almost like a polish. How to remove the wax from your pen. To remove the wax, simply take a pair of tweezers or a toothpick. Okay, the same thing. Temperature concerns, please place your wax in the freezer for 30 to 60 minutes. It's again the same. After the initial use, you can continue using and storing it at room temperature. If you have any questions, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so that's the same. And then the hardened sticky instructions. Oh, there's a little sticker. Oh, it fell out of this. It's just a little sticker. Oh, I'll put it with the rest of my sticker collection. When I do my diamond painting logbook, I put stickers in there. Thank you so much. Okay, hardened sticky. Thank you for purchasing this. Blah, blah. It's formulated by me. Loading this wax into your pen is very similar. Okay, take the tip of your pen, scrape it, press it in. How to avoid residue. Hard presser. Okay, it's actually the same. To remove this wax, temperature concerns. Okay, it's exactly the same. The hardened sticky scented wax instructions is the same as the original. So let's just see if I haven't overlooked anything. No, that's everything. Let me just take a look at my invoice. I think there's something missing, guys. Oh, she gives a coupon for the next one. That's weird. Okay, I can show you. I'm not going to show you my stuff, but okay. So we have the vanilla shortbread, and we have the rabbit. Okay, it is his cardboard. Hard and sticky scent, hazelnut cream. And we have the normal, the sea breeze, and we have the candied walnut, pink bow fox cover minder. Where's that one? No, I'm gonna cry. It's not here. So they're supposed to be. No, it looks like 6 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I got a sticker. I thought this was a freebie. Okay, that's a bit disappointing. I was looking forward to the little fox cover minder. It's not in there. Okay, that's not very nice. But anyways, I did buy this after all, just actually for these 4, and then I saw this and the little fox, pink bow fox cover minder. Maybe I should just contact her on Etsy and say to her, but this is what I got, and I didn't get the fox cover minder. So, but I mean, it's not worth it to wait for something like that. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching, and yeah, what do I think of this? I don't know. This is something that I'll need to use to give you a post review. This feels, the normal wax feels like our normal wax. The hard and sticky, so this is hard and sticky, sorry. So this one, the normal wax is a bit oily, it feels the same. The hard and sticky, I'm really excited to try out because people are raving about it. And these two smell extremely well. So if you like something, I'm gonna crave vanilla cookies the whole time that I use this. But anyway, guys, yeah, I just wanted to try out putty. I've never used putty, I've only used wax, but I wanted to try the hard and sticky and see if everyone is raving about, if it's actually like that. Would I order again from her? Probably not, because 1, this is going to last me a long time. My normal waxes last a long time, and as you could see, the price and including delivery and waiting for a lot of months for this, it's not worth it, I feel. But yeah, leave me a comment and tell me what you think. Have you ordered from Randa's Crafty Corner? I'll link everything I can, but I'll just link to the Etsy shop and her YouTube channel, because some of these things would obviously already be sold out or out of stock because it was Christmas stuff, and she regularly puts different scents in there, so I don't know if there's going to be different scents. But yeah, so leave me a comment, and also I would really appreciate if you leave me a like before you leave, and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you guys for joining me in the small shop haul, and I'll see you next time.